Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear light cluster. And this will also include replacing the indicator bulb, but the rest of the lights in the cluster are actually LED, so if they have failed, the likelihood is you're going to have to replace the whole cluster. But I'll show you how to remove it anyway. So go ahead and open up your boot fully. And the only tool you're going to need for this is actually a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to undo both of these screws, this one here and that one there, fully. Once you've undone them screws, it's actually a two-handed job to get the cluster off. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one hand on the top there and just pull that away from the car, and then the next one there, and then just pull that away. So you can actually just remove and replace the light bulb with the cluster still on the car. So that is our turn signal lamp. But if you want to remove the whole cluster, also pull that cable out there. We're going to have to turn that, and then inside on the LED board there is just a little white connection. We're just going to pull that away by using that tab there. So just to show you up close, that is our LED connection there, and then that is where our turn signal lamp goes. And then these are obviously the cables for them. And when you want to replace it, just go ahead and put the connection back on, making sure you get it the right way round. Then put the water seal back on using the arrows to position it. Clip the cable back into the clasp, and then go ahead with your turn signal bulb and lock that in as well. And then we're going to use these two prongs here to position on these prongs. Then we can just push it towards the front of the car. And then we return our two screws. So there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the rear light cluster on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.